So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel MIZO Education Hub. When I mixed arithmetic maths question console dona ama upon part pani ka upload to so inline lotion in entire description a link oma chuan channel a mitharta than subscribe la video trying to join low like nge nga chuan hello share bok ton ne. So our first question, A and B can do work in 45 and 40 days respectively. They began the work together, but A left after some time and B completed the remaining work in 23 days. After how many days of start of the work did A leave? Okay, ziachu A khan na athoka maseng ni enga mazat chu athok maseng anuwa a left te itina chu kalbo de itina chu chona bang zong chu B khana complete 23 days a hemi question ni ante solve ang en ru ga shilang chu amasa chuan A nikhat thozat mo 1 day work of A engzat nge A in nisom li panga athok zo theya maseng anikhat thozat engzat nge di chuan 1/45 ania chutiang bok chuan B nikhat thoza tengzat nge ti chon 1 day work of B engzat nge ti chon 1/40 ania tuna they began mo they ainti chumi wangchon an pani in atir train an thok dun mo en ruka shilang chau A khan ni engzat thlenge athok ti khaju kan shemi alo chumi wangchon entirnan a kan assume manga x mo ni x thleng na athok mo ni x thleng na athok ha an thozat multiplied by nikhata engzat nge atho mo chumi wangchon tian kan ziak thina x by 45 kan thin plus tuna b pon x khachu amanen a ne na thoka maseng a kha akal nuwa 23 days aman a remaining kha thoka chan nikhata engzat nge athok ti chon 1/40 equals to hata 1 kan ziak ngati nge 1 khoi nge 1 local thi chan 1 hi total work kha 1 kan the train chumi function 1 nen kan equate dona tuna engma dang kan ti ngai to lo hemi equation kan siama mo hemi language problem ang khania kan next step chu tuna kan cross multiplying a x le 40 chon 45 le achungami bracket x plus 23 okay tuna x multiplied by 40 plus duchon tiang pon kan ziak thea 40x kan ti thea plus 45 chen hai bracket thi x plus 23 nia then divided by 45 multiplied by 40 equals to 1 tuna hemi hi tahian kan transfer chho thea chen chu division a oma so 45 multiplied by 40 tuna 45 multiplied by 40 chu 2 16 plus 2 18 ya chon 0 pakhat okay hemi pumpu hi tihian kan ang longa kan erase nga 1800 kan zia kang tan 40x kan zia kanga chon 45 le x multiply chu chuan multiply mo 45x ania plus 45 multiplied by 23 ta hian 45 multiplied by 23 there are 15 chon 12 plus 1 13 nia 90 so 1035 okay 10 so 1035 ania chimi wangchon tahan 1035 equals to sangkhat le zariate hemi claim zo atro plus 1035 hi availa ma oma mi adingla ma transfer a maseng an transfer vel hemi plus 1035 hi minus ani de dona so minus 1035 tuna sangkhat zariate train 1035 pe chu engzat nge 765 ania tuna somli panga chu somriat panga nia tahian somriat le panga x kan ziak nga so x equals to 765 divided by 85 ama MIZO ki anula 8 ania chunga po 76 ne so anai berange 8 9s are so kan answer chu 85 9s are ni don kan answer chu 9 days kan answer ni don tuna next question kan solve nga hemi question hi antinan mi tam takin hemi question hi an mu vel an skip ngala amo an bow vexel mo exam hola tian solve avan make o tiang hi analyze all sum to 2 minus 1 by 3 ani tatra tiang bok chon 2 minus 3 by 5 ania chon 2 minus 5 by 7 ya chon 2 minus 7 by 9 anile anga test tahian 2 minus 997 divided by 999 edro to thil pat uluk den anula heta hanange omang mo second last digit yange aniang 2 minus 995 by 997 hemi ani don nge ta so hemi solve chinila 3 multiplied by 2 chu 6 ania so 6 certain pakhat pe chu 5 enge gan jiang 5 by 3 kan tiang chuan hata bracket heta 5 multiplied by 2 10 ania 10 a pathum pe chu pasari so 7 by 5 wem tuna hemi 7 multiplied by 2 chu 14 ya 14 a panga pe chu pakua so pakua by 7 ti hian tuna mi an solve lenga 9 multiplied by 2 chu 18 ne tro chon 18 a pasari pe chu som pakhat ania som pakhat by 9 ania chon hemi dash tian ti la chon ta 2 multiplied by 997 minus 995 divided by 997 ania tiang bok chon hata po 2 multiplied by 999 minus 997 divided by 999 anitro enge kan ria te trang hian hemi le hemi an cancel anga hemi le hemi an cancel anga hemi le hemi kan cancel anga hemi le heta po number omanga khamian cancel anga achungmi le noimi an cancel anga achungmi le noimi an cancel anga tiang cancel phei charanga kan cancel phei charanga tiang mo chon hemi le hemi kan cancel anga chon hemi chu heta trang hian an cancel dei tawng mo hemi le hemi kan cancel to chon ange abang heti zong hi banga hemi chu atopa tro achungan zia kanga 2 multiplied by 999 minus 997 chon anwaya nge bang hei chu hemi chu numerator nya anwaya nge bangain muam hei atirami number hi 3 hi abang divided by 3 tuna 999 multiplied by 2 chu exact nge hei 999 multiplied by 2 chu 991 mo sangkha zakwa som kwale pariatania chumi wangchon 1998 kan zia kang tuna sangkha zakwa som kwa pariata tren zakwa som kwa le pasari han peita ila 1998 atangin 997 mo hemi han minus taila ange 1001 okay nge kan nei tuna solve nuwa 1001 divided by 3 1001 divided by 3 option a omem yes option number c hi kan answer hemi question ni a hauzia chu 5 le 5 kan cancel a chungmi le noimi 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 achungmi le noimi achungmi le noimi mi mo chumi wangjon achunga hemi chi hi bang dona chon noya 3 chi so nuwa chon ti hian kan solve me answer a hawa tiang question mo ma sing hei a awe kan sia chon a ti dan mo a method kan sia chon a wholesome don lu tukringa tuna and then hemi poitra and find the value of endita tro tuna ange kan sia thiam ngal a kai chon ka sia thiam ngal nang ni point sia thiam haya and sec theta ani chon le 10 theta ani chuan atopa chuan sec theta availama oma chuan 10 theta dinglama om mo 10 theta dinglama ma chumi wang chuan tiang relation hi kan nei don atopa chuan mo kan solve wa chumi wang chuan engtin nge hemi sec square ani theidon noya cos kan si hamang cos om fel le mo hemi cos 1 by cos chu ange sec ania so hemi sec le sec thar kha sec square de don chithiang chen kan calculate te kan thlua ka hian khami thil ka aron lan ngal tur okay aron lang halo chen poilowa ka omala mai ka shil don chemo tuna enge kan ti ma sak berthin bracketing and solve nga so sec theta bracket hemi le hemi kan multiply nga hemi le hemi kan multiply ju kan cross multiply ang 1 plus sin theta whole square nothing a whole square achan chu hemi le hemi anin ang chi 1 plus sin theta le 1 plus sin theta chu ange kan multiply chon 1 plus sin theta square entrina plus cos theta le cos theta kan multiply chon ain ang ve tro chu mi function cos square theta kan tia then divided by anwaya cos theta le 1 plus sin theta nia chu mi function ti hian cos theta multiplied by 1 plus sin theta tuna bracket and close anga minus 2 10 square theta okay thil pahat 1 plus sin theta whole square can expand nga so sec theta chon bracket 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta ani ta tro chon plus cos square theta divided by hei chu engman kan la khoidang lam lo nga mi 1 plus sin theta chon bracket close minus 2 10 square theta okay mitam tagene mi an thiam lo mai thenga ma seng eng ma ka tilawa a plus b whole square formula ka manga enge a plus b whole square formula ti chon a square plus b square plus 2ab hemi ka manga okay tuna ange kan next step chu hey sin square theta le cos square theta ange sin square theta mo sin square theta le cos square theta chu always 1 and shin chumi wangchon hemi cos square theta le hemi sin square theta hi kanda bo de nga chon enge kan siang 1 kan sia kang tuna 1 plus 1 exact nge 1 plus 1 chu true ania chu vain tan true kan sia kang tuna thil pat and ru uluk den chiang den heta po true oma chun 2 sin theta po 2 oma chumi wang chun 2 common kan la deang mo pona kan ziak deng pona kan zia vele heta 1 kan zia kanga tan eng ma zia ngai tolo tuna hemi bracket in muem 1 plus sin theta he hemin mutro hemi bracket 1 plus sin theta anwaya achunga po 1 plus sin theta oma chun hin muem anwaya po 1 plus sin theta oma chumi wangchon kan cancel pop thai hemi mo tian hemi le hemi kan cancel pop thai enge bang tuna sec theta kan zia kang hemi chu chon achunga 2 oma anwaya cos theta minus 2 10 square theta ne tro tuna thil pahat anwaya cos theta oma hemi rinsiam 1 by cos theta chu always sec theta ani thin chumi wang chuan hemi 1 by cos theta ain hata hian sec theta tan kan zia kang tuna sec theta multiplied by sec theta chu ange sec square theta chuan hemi 2 hi heta kan ziak denga chan chu multiply ya oma tuna ange kan nei tuna 2 hi pona kan da chua kanga common chumi zo ange bang don sec square theta minus 10 square theta no bracket chunga trigonometry in zero tonga sec square theta minus 10 square theta always 1 and shin chumi function hemi pum pui ai hian 1 kan ziak papang sec square theta minus 10 square theta ain 1 kan ziak kang tuna 2 multiplied by 1 chu ange kan answer chu 2 hi kan answer how lamani yo tiang te hemi caution ni tuna ama pon video ka upload to sin theta cos theta tan theta cot theta sec theta cosec theta 0 degree near 30 degree 45 degree chon 60 degree 90 degree hemi video in le en lo chuan in en nge nge tu mo all some devin ka explain a hemi in shiat nge nge ngai tiang caution hi solve tur chuan okay so tuna kan solve cos square 60 cos 60 ang zat nge ni thin and cos 60 chu 1 by 2 nia masing cos square 60 ti chuan 1 by 2 square chu 1 by 4 chumi wangchon ta hian 1 by 4 kan ziak photanga plus hey 4 sec square 30 ania chumi wangchon 4 sec square 30 ang zat nge ni dom hey sec 30 ang zat nge ni thin sec 30 chu 1 by cos 30 ani thina chon 1 by cos 30 chu 1 by root 3 by 2 ani hemi true hi achunga convert transfer chhodhenga so 2 by root 3 maseng khosh na nge square ania chumi wangchon hemi kan square anga so 4 by 3 hata 4 po ma chumi wangchon hata 4 po kan multiply so 16 by 3 ania okay hata 16 by 3 kan zianga minus tuna 10 square 45 okay 10 square 45 ang zat ngani thin 1 ani thin ange achan chu 10 45 chu sin 45 by cos 45 ani thina chun sin 45 chu 1 by root 2 nia chun cos 45 po 1 by root 2 cancel vek thina chumi wangjan 1 chi abang thin so tan 1 kan ziak nga divided by sin square 30 tuna sin square 30 ania tuna thilpat sin 30 ang zat ngani thin sin 30 chu 1 by 2 nia masing sin square 30 ang zat ngani thin te chon 1 by 4 ani thin chumi wangchan tan 1 by 4 kan ziak nga chinange bang plus tuna atober mi cos square 30 okay cos square 30 okay tuna cos square 30 hi cos 30 ang zat ngani chon root 3 by 2 ani thin masing cos square 30 ang zat ngani ti chon 3 by 4 ani thin chumi wangchan tan 3 by 4 kan ziak ang tuna hemi thili anoi mi chu 1 ani pop don mo eng ma bo boy ngai lo achan chu anoi a 4 le 4 oma so LCM kan langa ta hen 4 chon 1 plus 3 ang zat nge 1 plus 3 chu 4 ne 4 le 4 ang cancel 1 chi om don so noi chon eng ma po zia ngai lo mo eng ma theng hil vek ro ma seng hemi kan solve nga tuna kan cross multiply nga du chon LCM po lakte mo ma seng mi tham den cross multiply kha an shathiam za kha so 3 multiplied by 1 ang zat nge ti chon 3 ania 4 multiplied by 16 ang zat nge di chuan 64 ania chuan 4 multiplied by 3 ang zat nge di chuan 12 ang tuna pathum le somruk pali chu somruk le pasari nia minus 1 okay tuna 12 minus 1 nen kan multiply chuan minus 12 ani dona ta hian minus 12 ani dona chuan anwa 12 tuna 67 ren 12 pe chu ngai tola somruk pasari train som pani pe chu ang zat nge somnga panga hemi kan answer 55 by 12 55 by 12 hi kan answer option a ma'am yes b hi kan answer hemi turian chan englo in thiam hai ni o khati tak tak enge trigonometric ratio table kamo in thiam hai if a man purchase 11 articles for rupees 10 okay purchase in tinio purchase chu enge cost price ania okay cost price of 11 article chu engzat 4 rupees 10 ain tia tro chumi wangjon 10 rupees kan zia kanga enge omzia chu cost price of ngai dola 11 article man chu cheng so mani chon 1 article man engzat nge o 10 by 11 anyang chu imshetiam tro chan kan second party nge and sold all the articles and all the articles at the rate of 10 for 11 chu tiang bok chon selling price of 10 article engzat nge cheng som pakhatania tro maseng selling price of 1 article engzat nge don 11 by 10 ai dona kan third part nge the profit percentage enti tro chumi wangchun profit percentage nge profit percentage formula selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100 hemin lomi hemi ni kan formula chumi wang chuan selling price engzat nge selling price chu 11 by 10 ania minus cost price engzat nge cost price chu 10 by 11 ania divided by cost price engzat nge cost price chu 10 by 11 ania multiplied by 100 tok de lo mai kan cross multiply nga 11 le 11 multiply chu za som ni pakhatania 10 le 10 multiply chu za ania divided by za le som achan chu 10 le 11 bon multiply nga mo chuan anwaya nge 10 le 11 multiplied by 100 za som ni pakhata za pe chu 21 ania hemi 11 ni ki ta chhode nga so 11 multiply ta hian chon hemi 10 hi za le som bula a chhode nga 10 ti hian okay tuna 11 te bula za le som oma 10 times tro chuan 0 heta oma achunga mi 0 nan cancel nga anwa 0 pakhatloma achunga po 0 pakhatom ange bang 21 so kan answer chu 21% bak eng ma po an boy phoinga lo the question number 6 hi 3 10 theta minus 4 equals to 0 ti angkhoi chu khoi a point mu chon in ti ma sakbar chu he minus 4 hi ading lama kan zia nga langa 3 10 theta equals to 4 entro tuna 10 theta equals to 4 by 3 ania okay 10 theta equals to 4 by 3 andro enge 10 theta formula chu perpendicular by base ani thin perpendicular by base ania atia kan shia thami hi kai matrix siam ve inia mi ho pubia ka pa chu a high hot big jetia okay p by h chu sin theta ani thina b by h chu cos theta ani thina chon p by b omna chu 10 theta ani thin moi p by b oma 10 theta ania height and distance apo mi atangkail to kania metric kema perpendicular chu 4 ani tro so perpendicular 4 kan zia kanga base 3 nia chumi wangjon base tu na hai enge hemi length and thing kan find out don hemi length in huam hemi length and then find out don ti chuan Pythagoras theorem kan mang Pythagoras theorem jemi x ani chan x square equals to 4 square plus 3 square and 4 square engzat nge 16 3 square engzat nge 9 som paruk le pakwa engzat nge 25 ngai tola x square 25 ani chuan x engzat nge 5 ani dan so hemi kan hypotenuse hi engzat nge kan hypotenuse chu 5 ania tuna cosec theta hi enge formula anru cosec theta hi enge ni thin 1 by sin theta ni thin tro chuan sin theta hi enge perpendicular by hypotenuse ni thin perpendicular by hypotenuse omzia chu 4 by 5 ani thin so hemi 5 hi chunga chhode dona 5 by 4 ai de don maseng kan answer hi mo positive nge ani don negative hemi thili heta trang hian kan chekang hamin huam 180 atangin 270 in car ania so and ruga shilang chau 0 atangin 90 in car angle chu hemi ni thina 90 atangin za somriat in car mi angle zongjong chu ta hana lai thina second quadrant and thema mi second quadrant nia chun za somriat atangin zani som sari chu third quadrant alai thina third quadrant round thina chun thil paten shi atur chu first quadrant hian trigonometric function zongjong a positive vector hemi shi at nge ngai nio hemi question in solve te tur chuan hemi concept in shiat nge ngai ne second quadrant a chuan s omze chu sin theta le cosec theta un positive thina apathumna t omze chu tan theta le cot theta un positive thina abang jong chuan apalina fourth quadrant a chuan cos le sec un positive thina abang jong chu un negative vec chumi wangjon hemi third quadrant ania question hi third quadrant ania 10 le cot tilo chuan negative vec zel so can answer chu -5 by 4 hemi can answer rang ve da install ka tuma ha chan ju question tam ve bok sio chan in practice na satlu tu ngai ni ati ang question hi mi tam tak tan juna all ve mai theng ma ati ang question hi ma seng mi tam tak tan har anti ve da na chi wang jan pakhatte teng ke explain next question line proceed okay question number 7 when number is increased by 69 okay when a number enti tro when a number enti chu mi wang kan shem yalo khoya man given lawa so x can assume tuna is increased by 69 is increased in titro chumi van kan bel don mo kan ti sang kan titama by exactin 69 in so 69 kan titama it becomes more khoyapo it becomes amo is equal to amo it gives tiang valen ain ziachon equals to sign kan datina hey becomes 103% of itself tro chon enge of ania chumi vanjan of chu multiply na chon itself chu x hemi chu kan ziak nge dona so tan multiply le x chu nge dona chon 103% okay percentage zon dan ka amapon ka explain to tro nge tola x 100% chu exact nge x ani don maseng x 103% exact nge ani don ti chon heti zat hi ni dona achan chu 103 person ang omzia person chu par chu line ania cent chu zain kan divide tuna of oma multiplication itself ti chon x abak eng mahami tan kan ziak te ang tuna hami kan erase lo kanga okay 103 by 103 divided by 100 multiplied by x tok buai vak po hailo x tezo ka chumi wangjan tan transfer de ang hami plus x ading lama kalvele minus x ani ngal dona 69 equals to 103x divided by 100 minus x tuna LCM heta hian 100 nan kan multiply nga so 100x ania chen divided by heta 100 anin kara minus sign amnia 103 atangin 100 paichu zale pathum x atangin za x paichu 3x ani dona tuna hemi 100 hi 69 nen kan multiply de nga chanchu division awma 69 multiplied by 100 equals to 3x okay tuna hemi 3 le hemi 69 ni kan cancel thea 23 times so x equals to 23 multiplied by 100 so x equals to 2300 hemi kan answer option a ma'am yes option number C. Question number 8 a boat goes a certain distance okay certain distance in the chumi function engma distance kan shalawa x okay chuan 40 km/h okay a speed po given nimo u equals to 40 km/h and comes back at the same distance okay same distance in titonio same distance in ti vine engma potluak manangai tolo tok engma po in tluak han engma potluak manangai tolo hey speed akallam le aron letlam speed given 40 km/h le 24 km/h bak eng mapo tinga average speed hey average speed sunangaya average speed formula nge anruga shilangcho fixed position in kara mo a atangin b chuan b atangin a ani ve chuan hemi kesi hemi a case ani ve chuan enge kan average speed ti chuan 2 S1 S2 by 2 S1 S2 divided by S1 plus S2 S1 hi first speed nya 40 chuan S2 hi S2 hi 24 tangan value gan put upanga 2 multiplied by 40 into 24 divided by 40 plus 24 to 40 le 24 chu 64 ania 64 hi 2 in kan cancel thea 32 okay chuan 24 hi 18 kan cancel thea 8 3s are chun 32 po hi 18 kan cancel thea 8 4s are okay achunga 40 omatro hemi 40 hi 4 in kan cancel nga 10 abang dona on ju 10 in kan cancel so 10 multiplied by 3 chu 30 km/h hemi kan average speed ania option ma'am yes option number D engma po kan engma po tluak mana hai lo tiang question chanwa tuna hami question geometry question ya triangle xy le z okay triangle x ta x ania y le z okay triangle xyz is similar to pq le r okay pq le r and given if ratio of perimeter of okay perimeter of the total length of the outer boundary ju perimeter kan the china so perimeter ta hian gan zia kang perimeter of xyz or ju perimeter of triangle xyz chu exact nge okay and ratio given ni perimeter of triangle xyz le perimeter of triangle pqr chumi wangchon perimeter of triangle xyz le perimeter of triangle and perimeter of triangle pqr and given exact nge 4 by 9 okay enge thildang p le q hi 27 so hemi distance hemi length hi and given 27 centimeter nia enge thildang length of x le y hemi kan shelo mo hemi kan shelo hemi kan zon cha hai a har law du hemi a concept ka shilang chau perimeter of triangle tan perimeter of triangle xy le z divided by perimeter of triangle PQR equals to the sides more the side of those two triangles XYZ nia x le y divided by PQR nia so tahian P le Q tuna P le Q hi an given 27 nedra hi 27 so tahian 27 kan sia kanga chon XYZ le PQR ratio perimeter chu zat nge di chon 4:9 okay tuna 9 table hemi 27 yoma 3 zar tuna 3 le 4 kan multiply nga xy equals to 4 multiplied by 3 so xy equals to 12 centimeter kan answer tuna ami question number 10 ania okay cot theta equals to 21 by 20 nia e kan zon chuangai sec theta hi kan shalo masabara chon cot theta hi nge ni thin andu 10 theta chu ne ja ga soitron chira han 10 theta perpendicular by base ani thina chuti ambok chon cot theta chu 1 by 10 theta ani thin 1 by 10 theta chu ange 1 by perpendicular by base on chu base achunga chaude nga so cot theta chu base by perpendicular ani thin mi enzat nge given 21 by 20 tuna base hi 21 ania okay chon perpendicular hi 20 alright tahan 20 kan sia kang bak eng ma pon boy pu ngai tol hamian te an zon chu trend Pythagoras theorem PGT mo Pythagoras theorem enge Pythagoras theorem chemi x angin assume x square equals to 20 square plus 21 square tuna somni square chu anzat nge zalin lo mi chon 21 square anzat nge ti chon zali somli pakhatin shin tuna zali le zali somli pakhat chu anzat nge zariat somli pakhatin shina x square initiat chon 841 square root chu 29 ani china kai chon kashia nangni pon initiat nge yang haya initiat nge turai ti ang mo time a save theilu tu ne exam hola ju 841 e factor zi hai dona amo di kan square root ten zong mai menga long division method in chu I chon 130 square remember by heart vekala chum za cube ti chon 120 atok abak chu ang mangai lo maseng square chu thei chon 50 thleng ti ula chon thei chon 100 lo ti mai ro tuna hey ange kan nei tuna xin 29 kan zia kang tuna sec theta yang e formula sec theta chu 1 by cos theta ani thin omzia chu 1 by cos theta ang ani thin china ka soitro pubia ka pa chu high hot big so b by h chu and b by h kan zia kang baseng h theta chode dona chimi wangchun sec theta chu always hypotenuse by base ani thin tuna ange hypotenuse chu 29 ania divided by base enge 21 so can answer chu final answer chu 29 by 21 mm yes option number b hemi can answer how lu tu ni tiang kho chu tiang kho shan dei chu noilom tu reilo the chungin in the insol te ang maseng chumi tu chu enge ngai chumi tur jon square po remember nga ya chon a formula sec theta 1 by cos ania cot theta 1 by tan tiang value in shia tang hai tiang basic value in shia tang mo 11 okay what is the third proportion to 9 le 45 okay third proportion and ruga shilang chau third proportion formula ngai sham b square by a anchin initiat lo ta gremi b square by a anchin so b angzat nge 45 ania chon 45 square ju 45 into 45 ania chon a angzat nge 9 ania so 9 table 45 oma 5 are 5 multiplied by 45 chu 5 multiplied by 45 chu 25 ania 5 4s are 20 chon 20 plus 2 chu 22 225 oma yes 225 oma and ruga shan chau exam third proportion of any two numbers a given nichon anu nungzo kha achunga kanzia kanga square divided by ama sajok abak eng magan tinga lo chuzong chuni me chumi chu third proportion tahian the average marks of 10 students in an examination was 25 okay and ruga shan chu student omza chu hey a formula average formula nge sum ania divided by number of item equals to average tuna sum hi engzat nge kan shilawa hey no pang engzat nge nom 10 anoma so manama chona average engzat nge 25 so hemi le mi kan multiply pop 3 na hey Zanile somnga aniatro tuna zanile somnga chu a viable combination tuna it was later found that the marks of one student had been wrongly entered as 34 instead of 43 and rugashan je uluk devin wrongly entered as aintidro wrongly entered as aintia chumi wangjon adikla antipalmo kami makha an enter diklauta a chumi wangjon ti diktainan khami 34 ka kan peide yang chuan adik zokha hey instead of 43 ain 34 ka an enter pala wrongly entered mo chumi wangjon 34 ka kan peinga chon ange kan belang 43 onju adik zoki kan belang mo 43 kan enter anga kan enter chalenga positive hausang chu mun khata daila zahni somnga le somli pathum ju engzat nge zahni som kwale pathumania zahni som kwale pathuma hami maina sila 34 minus sila 34 minus sila hata 9 ani dona chon pariyat train pathum peju 5 ani dona chon 2 okay so 259 hi adik hemi hi a real value ka ani turania tuna nge what is the correct average enti correct average turjan no pangta ju som thawalo man ni tuna po so achan chu tahian unremove lo mo mi pakhat emo no pang pakhat unremove lo wa hatan chon unmark siringot khan remove so 10 in kan divide chalyang 10 in kan divide vele in shiangat nangni pon 10 kan pe chuan heta decimal pakhat kan zia kan da thin so 25.9 ni kan answer average quotient chu mo harlo hlom tu kanyo he kadi takte ne y a me pain mo okay tuna hemi here tuna hemi gan solve nga tihian in solve thai to direct in hey -3 le 1 multiply chu -3 nya chuan -3 le minus x by 2 chu plus 3x by 2 anya plus 5x by 3 equals to 1 by 6 hemi -3 heta kan transfer anga heta plus 3 ani dei dona 6 into 3 chu 18 ania 18 le pa chu 19 ania so 19 by 6 ta hen kan zia kanga tuna hemi hi kan cross multiply nga 3 le 3x chu 9x ania plus 2 le 5x chu 10x ania divided by 2 le 3 chu 6 ania equals to 19 by 6 tuna 9 le 10 exact nge each one som pakwa x by 6 equals to som pakwa by 6 hey 19 le 19 kan cancel anga 6 le 6 kan cancel ang so x equals to 1 hami kan answer option number b question number 14 okay hemi equation ya x plus y raised to the power x by y okay x le y in and value and substituting x exact nge 12 ania plus y exact nge y chu 4 okay so raised to the power ahian x by y x 12 ania divided by y 4 4 in kan cancel anga 3 times okay so 12 plus 4 exact nge each one 12 plus 4 chu 16 achina so 16 cube exact nge 16 cube chu 4096 ngadi anting 4096 ke man ka ziate achan chuan ru ka jang chau 16 hi ange 16 hi 2 raised to the power 4 ania chon 3 so 2 raised to the power 12 tro all something kaichan ka remember chiang lu tuga 2 raised to the power 12 hi ange ka ziate 2 raised to the power 10 le 2 raised to the power 2 so 2 raised to the power 10 chuka shia 1024 engine jan 2 raised to the power 2 hi 4 engine so 4 multiplied by 1024 chu 4096 me can answer so our next question 700 is divided among okay for pathum ne yang khani mo 700 ania hemi mun thuma ju 3 different places are can divide dona a b le c ya so that a receives half as much as b okay a in b half adong dona and b half as much as c okay then b chuan c by 2 okay eng po chuni se c hi x kan assume potang c hi x kan assume vele b enge b chu c by 2 ne chumi wang chun x by 2 chuan a enge b by 2 ania so b enge b chu x by 2 ne chuan anwai mi hemi 2 hi hata x by 4 lek khalo ni a chuma tuna nge c share kan shalo so c hi kan shalo exact nge value all sum the into a plus b plus c equals to ungiven renga zasari so a plus b plus c chu zasari anya tuna a exact nge a chu x by 4 b exact nge b chu x by 2 c exact nge c chu kan shalawa x so equals to 700 tok der lo me x common kan langa tan pona kan ziak nga heta 1 chon heta 1 okay tuna LCM tok der he LCM 4 nya tahian 1 anya tahan 2 nya tahian 4 chon x equals to 700 okay tuna pakhatle pani pathum le pali pasari tro chumi van dan 7 kan zia kanga chon hemi 7 le right hand side mi 700 kan cancel anga chon atopa 4 hi 100 nan kan multiply chode ang tahan mo kan multiply dan so x equals to 400 x equals to 400 option yes hemi can answer tuna question number 16 investment and more partnership question okay a invests 3 times as much as b chon b invests 2/3 of that of C invest okay omzia chu heta po hian C ka x angin kan assume don ti nai chumo C hi x angin kan assume nga achanange achan chu A in B 3 times a invest B invests 2/3 of what C invests in ti chumi wangjon B in 2/3 C in a invest that x chuan A atan A invests 3 times as much as B invest in ti chumi wangjon H1 3 times of B ania B in exact nga invest 2 by 3x invest 3 le 3 and cancel nga sorry 3 le 3 and cancel nga so 2x heta hian H1 2x tuna nge an capital ratio zon chuanga capital ratio chuanga an investment zat khania so A chu 2x ania B chu 2 by 3x ania chon C chu x ania eng ma kan tilawang hey achunga 3 kan multiply vele 3 2s are 6 ania hemi le hemi ain cancel le dona 2x chia bang dona sekhana chon topa x le 3 multiply chu 3x x cancel vekila ange bang 6 is to 2 is to 3 hemi can answer option number C. Question number 17. Starting with 8,000 workers, the company increases the number of workers by 5%. Okay, amaza 5%. Antitama chimza 10% and 20% at the end of the first and second and okay. Omzia berchu first year kumtopa 5% atitama, second year kumtopa 10% atitama, chuan third year kumtopa 20% aditam. Okay, number of workers in the fourth year. Okay, fourth year fourth year enti vele inti turchu andru heta n kanzi actually n into 100 plus a% divided by 100 and hemi formula nia 100 plus b% divided by 100 and multiplied by 100 plus c% divided by 100 hemi hi fourth year atan formula chain and hi number of workers ania exact nge 8,000 chuan 100 plus 5% nia chumi wanjun times 5 kan ziak nga divided by 100 chuan 100 plus b in 10% nia second year and topa third year topa tan 100 plus 20% divided by 100 okay tuna zale pangachu 105 zale somchu tahian 110 zale somni chu 120 okay tuna achunga bial pahnioma anwai minen kan cancelanga heta bial pahat chon heta bial pahat hemi bial pahninen kan cancelanga enge bangdon 80 multiplied by 105 multiplied by som pahat multiplied by 12 divided by 100 injetiam dro tuna achunga mi 0 le anwai mi 0 pahat kantibaunga 0 pahat chia banga noya tuna hemi twin cancelila 4 times hemi twin cancelila 5 times okay chumi wangchon tahen 4 zia kila chon tahian 5 kan ziakte tuna hemi thilhian hemi cancelila 21 times in kan cancel thea so tahian 21 kan ziaka bak chu engwa kan ti ngai tolawa kan ti turchu kan multiply kan answer ron chuak pang tuna 4 a unit digit multiply la 4 multiplied by 1 4 4 multiplied by 1 4 4 multiplied by 2 8 so atopa 8 chu om nge nga ya hey pathuma chon oma hemi chu kan answer ni thelo so pelo da multiply pop mang no 4 multiplied by 21 chu 84 ania. 84 multiplied by 11 chu 84 multiplied by 11 chu 924 ania. Okay, 924 multiplied by 12 exact nge ti chuan and 8418 chuan 924 88011. Okay, 11088. Oh ma'am, yes, 11088. Hemi can answer option number C. A girl spends hemi question itra masing mi tam tak chuan mo hemi question hi athluak an mang tam le lutuk trina antinan x an assume amo 100 an assume chuta minus 40% antia 60 banga chuta 60 atangin minus 20% antilea engamani banga chimzo hemi 10% hi an minus le hemi array mai mo an mani ta na buai tlak mai don chon atopa heta poron chuan wai 10% on conveyance ani le chumi wangchai tam do step mo huna ray don lu chumi wangchon hemi a method anilo competitive exam achon tia hen console to ren lawa a person zong hi kan bel vekang hey and ruka shlang cho 40% ania plus 20% ania plus 10% ania plus 10%. Okay, kan belanga hey somli le somni somruk le somsari le som chu somriat. Okay, om ziange somriat person chu aman enge ati a spend pota 100% a salary nia chuta 80% a spend nuang zange 20% chia banglom hemi 20% hi enge hey a saving mo aman lauzat a seng lauzat ania chen engzat nge a save sang khat zanga so 20% hi sang khat zanga ania so hemi chu saving ania ngan ngei to to a salary engzat nge ti chuan sang khat zanga hi 20 kan divide anga chun 100 in lelam ai kan multiply hata po all sum then a salary kan shamai lom tian kan cancel anga 2 le hemi 10 in cancel 5 time in 15 5s are 75 ania 7500 hi a monthly salary 100% chu 7500. Option number C hi kan answer tiang question voi khatma long method in ting hailonia. Two trains 70 meter and okay train pakhat hemi hi nita se hemi train pakhatania chon hemi hi train pakhat nile ta se pakhat 70 meter nia pakhat meter somriat run at the rate of pakhat 68 km per hour speed in Atlanta chon pakhat 40 km. Okay, pakhat 40 km per hour speed in Atlanta on parallel rail in opposite direction. Okay, opposite direction in titro chumi wangchon an speed hi relative speed hi kan bel don mo speed chu s1 plus s2 ani nge don achan chu opposite direction in tito same direction in tilo opposite direction in ti piangin an speed unrelative speed chu kan bel thin. So ange question how long do they take to pass each other? Okay, in cross nan hun engzat nge unlock don ti nai jumo. So ultimately we have to find out the value of t ania time kan shalawa tuna s chu kan shato speed chu kan shia relative speed chu s1 plus s2 ne chon a distance hi engzat nge length of train 1 le length of train 2 kan bel thina. So time equals to ange distance by speed ania distance ange length of train 1 17 ya length of train 2 80 divided by opposite direction antlana wangin and speed kan beltrina. So speed of train 1 chu 68 km per hour nia chon speed of second train chu 40 km per hour nia hemi hi meter per second akan convertang 5 by 18 in kan multiply nga tinga meter per second akan convertang ai na chan achan chu a answer hi second a oma. So somruk pariatle somli chu zale pariatania so 108 multiply tuna 9 in 18 kan cancel thea 9 2s are okay so hemi poi 9 12s are 108 and 12s are tuna 2 le 12 kan cancel anga exact 6 John 6 multiplied by 5 chu 30 and 30 shetiam dro tuna somsari le somriat chunga kan belanga za somngania 0 chunga ama 0 nwaya ama kan cancel thei ve ya mi point cancel a chun ange bang 15 le 3 banga ange answer 5 second hi kan answer in practice na salut ka mo khadi takta nia how win ti don lu hemi question poitra the least number which when divided by okay zia chu least number en ti tro least number en ti wangin LCM kan zong halang mo LCM kan calculate ngalanga enge 15 27 35 le 42 LCM ti chuan prime factorization in hemi kan solve nga 2 in kan divide nga okay 15 kan divide thelo 27 kan divide thelo 35 kan divide thelo 42 kan divide 21 okay tuna 2 in engma kan divide thelo next prime number nge ti chuan 3 nya 3 5 0 3 9 0 35 can cancel theva chuan 3 7 0 okay 3 kan la cancel them yes 9 kan la cancel thea 5 3 35 7 3 in voi khat kan la cancel le thea 5 1 35 7 tuna 3 in engman cancel the tola next prime number 5 ania 1 1 7 7 5 in tunan cancel the tola next prime number ti chuan 7 nia 1 1 1 1 okay tuna 2 3s are 6 6 3s are 18 18 3s are 54 and yeah 54 5s are and that nge zani somsari tro chun zani somsari multiplied by 7 chu 9 4 14 18 okay sankha zariat le somkwa kan LCM chu LCM is 1890 least number chu engzat nge ani don heti zathi ani mai don ta maseng khoshna ange khoshna chon each case a 7 hi remainder omzel tur mo a omzel theinan enge kan tiang remainder pasari a omzel theinan enge kan tiang heta anjan an ruga shan cho 1890 hi 15 in divide la engma remainder om don lo 1890 hi 27 in divide la engma remainder om don lawa 1890 hi 35 in divide la engma remainder om don lawa 1890 hi 42 in divide la engma remainder om don lawa maseng kan khoshna hanange kan khoshna chon 7 hi remainder om nge ngai chumi tur ber chon lam enge kan tiang 1890 a pasari han bel chia ila mo 1890 a pasari kan bel vele and 1890 ani lai chon 15 in divide ma lai 15 mo 390 2s are 30 chon 6s are ti chon 90 hai 0 eng ma po remainder om lo ma seng heta hian pasari han bel chiela heigan belanga hey 1890 a pasari ka bel chianga ti hian in huam 15 in divide ang tuna 15 1s are 15 ya 397 tuna 15 2s are 30 ya hey 97 15 6s are 19 ya hey 7 bang tuna 7 bang to tro chumi wang jon 7 kan belang heta hian 1890 a 7 kan bel vel enge kan answer 1897 mem 1897 mi kan answer the mean proportion between mean proportion formula nge eng manilo mean proportion formula chu under root a multiplied by b hemi aha poi mol dugane ami question 0.32 multiplied by 0.02 tuna point kan peyanga anwaya bl pani achanchu point zawa digit pani oma tiang bo cha hata po hian point kan peyanga anwaya digit pani bl pani kan zia kan achanchu point zawa digit pani okay hemi da son photila engma po zia ngai tolo tuna thil pat 32 le 2 multiply la engzat nge 64 ania chu tiang bo chuan za le za multiply la sing khat ania tro adikem adik chiang lu tuga tuna thil pahat thluak maula 64 square root chu 8 ania sing khat omje chu bial pariat square root chu bial pali an china bial pali square root chu bial pani an china bial pani square root chu bial pakhat an chin chumi wangjon hata bial pali oma engzat nge square root bial pani so 100 tuna 8 divided by 100 chu 0.08 mi all sum then answer number D option number D what should be subtracted from heta tranghian eng thilnge kan subtracanga answer chu -1 ni tur okay -3 by 11 re eng thilnge kan subtracang mo hey eng thilnge kan subtracanga answer chu -1 ani tur tuna all sum then hey -3 by 11 hi helama kan transfer denga -3 by 11 hata kan zia vele +3 by 11 ani dei dona duchan he -1 hi helama in zia nga poimelo minus x equals to tuna 3 minus 11 by 11 hey in multiply mo tuna pathuma train som pakhat pe chu engzat nge -8 ania tuna helama po minus oma ange kan answer chu 8 divided by 11 option A 8 divided by 11. Okay, so heti zong hi ni mo question. Okay, so heti zong hi voina ka explain discuss and solve ulugdo ina tir train top thleng voi kha thadawin video in lenga initiative engamani initiative lo takin in pause trin doni mo eng ma harlonia question te chun doubt valin nei chun group amilo zo tula private pon milo zo tula poimi lawa chun Instagram pomilo zo te ya thadawin explain kalo tumang. Okay, so voina tan hemi video ati zong hi next video I kain mule thodon ya. Thank you.